evaluating the role of the tyrosine phosphatase SHP2 in mediating adrenomedulin proangiogenic activity in solid tumors. By Romain Sigord, Nadege Dassault, Caroline Barangadais, Christine Vellutini, Johra Benyahia, Mylene Keol, Fabrice Parat, Kamal Mabrouk, Ramiro Vasquez, Maria E. Rivero, Philippe Metelis and El Hossein Oafik. Adrenomedulin, AM, is widely expressed in a variety of tumor types and was shown to be mitogenic for many human cancer cell lines in vitro, whereas several in vivo studies have also highlighted its strong contribution to neoplastic angiogenesis. VE-cadherin is an essential adhesion molecule in endothelial adherens junctions, and the integrity of these complexes is thought to be regulated by VE-cadherin tyrosine phosphorylation. It was previously shown that AM blockade correlates with elevated levels of phosphorylated VE-cadherin, PVE-cadherin Y731, in endothelial cells, associated with impaired barrier function and a persistent increase in vascular endothelial cell permeability. However, the mechanism underlying this effect is unknown. To reveal these mechanisms, techniques such as endothelial cell culture, Western blot analysis, immunoprecipitation, RNA interference, SHP2 inhibitors, permeability assay, matrigel plug assay in vitro and in vivo tumor xenograft growth were used in this study. For statistical analysis, non-parametric analysis Kruskal-Wallis followed by Bonferroni test was performed using Excel STAT software throughout the whole manuscript. In this article, it is demonstrated that the AM-mediated dephosphorylation of PVE-cadherin 731 takes place through activation of the tyrosine phosphatase SHP2, as judged by the rise of its active fraction phosphorylated at tyrosine 542, PSHP2Y542, in HUVECAs and glioblastoma-derived endothelial cells. Both pre-incubation of HUVECAs with SHP2 inhibitors and SC87877 and SHP099 and SHP2 silencing hindered AM-induced dephosphorylation of PVE-cadherin 731 in a dose-dependent manner, showing the role of SHP2 in the regulation of endothelial cell contacts. Furthermore, SHP2 inhibition impaired AM-induced HUVECAs differentiation into cord-like structures in vitro and impeded AM-induced neovascularization in vivo matrigel plugs bioassays. Subcutaneously transplanted U87 glioma tumor xenograft mice treated with AM receptors blocking antibodies showed a decrease in PSHP2Y542 associated with VE-cadherin in nascent tumor vasculature when compared to control IgG-treated xenografts. Our findings show that AM acts on VE-cadherin DNA mix through PSHP2Y542 to finally modulate cell-cell junctions in the angiogenesis process, thereby promoting a stable and functional tumor vasculature. This data, together with the reported observation that SHP2 negative mutant ECAs failed to organize themselves into a highly vascularized network in the yolk sac of mouse embryos, 23, supports the role of SHP2 as an important player in the signaling transduced by AM to regulate proangiogenic and vascular stabilizing activities in endothelial cells. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.